Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some nice conditions out there this morning. I see that fog that was in here this morning burn off fairly quickly. Seeing some partly cloudy to mostly sunny conditions out there. That'll be the case for the remainder of the day. We'll see temperatures rising into the mid 70s today across the region, even some upper 70s in the center portion of the peninsula today. So really nice weather in store, and then it'll continue through the end of the work week into the beginning of the weekend. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 14,000 feet, winds out the southwest around 10 to 15 knots from 9,000 feet, then becoming more southwesterly and increasing with height above that, seeing a peak wind this morning, 25,000 feet at 32 knots out of the southwest. Our current surface analysis, we have an area high pressure remaining in control of our weather pattern. We have a weak boundary across New England, stretching into the Great Lakes, and then stretching down into the Ohio Valley, into the Midwest and Southern Plains. We have that area high pressure over our region, a much colder area of high pressure across the northern plains. This morning saw some snowfall across Minneapolis yesterday. They set their daily record for snowfall, seeing almost 8 inches of snowfall in that location. So really seeing some colder weather, winter-like conditions across the upper plains, while here across the Mid-Atlantic region just seeing some typical early fall type weather, a little bit above normal for our temperature regime, but overall going to see really nice conditions as I've mentioned. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, seeing that cloud cover across the region, mainly in the upper levels over the Wallops region, some mid-level cloud cover around 4,000 to 5,000 feet, or low-level cloud cover, I should say. And then seeing some low-level stratus or fog across the interior portions of the coastal plain this morning, mainly west of the Chesapeake Bay. Overall, seeing that cloud cover or fog erode this morning, should see mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions across the Wallops region today. So taking a look at the European model for the next few days, this is for this afternoon. The European model is picking up on some light rain shower activity, mainly where it forecasted the low-level fog to be. But that should erode across the region this afternoon. And then moving into tonight, we'll see more fog develop, high pressure and control for Thursday. Much the same for Friday. We'll have that fog develop overnight, Thursday night and Friday. Friday, we'll have this area high pressure from the northeast build more into the region. That'll give us more onshore flow out of the northeast on Friday. A little bit cooler temperatures, a few degrees cooler than we'll see today. Overall, very nice conditions continuing. And for Saturday, we'll see that boundary that will be moving through the region on Friday move back north on Saturday, giving us warmer south to southwesterly flow that should allow for our temperatures bump back up a few more degrees on Saturday. We'll have that morning fog once again, but it'll erode fairly quickly during the morning hours. Then for Sunday, we'll see a cold front pushing through the region during the morning hours. That'll give us a chance of some rain showers. Could last into the early afternoon hours on Sunday, but overall, going to see only about a 50% chance of those rain showers on Sunday morning, as models tend to have this as a fairly dry cold front, not a lot of energy with it in the upper levels. So going to continue to monitor, and once we get closer to the event, should be able to nail down those precipitation chances a bit better than 50%. Then we move into Monday, we'll see cold front starting to approach from the west. That boundary that was across the region on Sunday move back north. Warmer temperatures on Monday should see temperatures bump back up into the mid to upper 70s across the peninsula once again. So looking at our risk chart for today, green chart across the board. We did have those low-level ceilings and visibilities this morning. That has eroded across the area, seeing a high today of 76, a low tonight of 62. South winds 5 to 10 knots. And becoming variable less than 5 knots overnight. And we'll have that fog developing overnight, seeing the likely conditions of the visibilities below a mile with the fog in the region overnight tonight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions this morning through the remainder of the day. It looks like could see a little bit of cloud cover around 2,000 feet for this afternoon, but overall should see VFR conditions. Did have a broken deck around 1,200 local for this afternoon. That looks like to be a bit overdone as the cloud cover has eroded and not seeing the ceilings this morning. Once we move into the overnight hours, I'm going to see that fog develop. Should see broken deck around 500 feet develop across the region by 1800 local, and then seeing the fog in here by 2100 local. And that should continue overnight. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Thursday and Friday. Thursday morning, fog and low clouds and partly to mostly cloudy and warm, a high of 75. Thursday night, fog and low clouds likely. Otherwise, partly cloudy, low of 60. And for Friday, morning fog and low clouds, otherwise partly cloudy to mostly cloudy and warm, a high of 72 degrees. Looking like those high temperatures will be about 5 to 10 degrees above normal for the next few days through the work week, and we'll see those chances of low clouds and ceilings, as well as the visibility below the criteria levels, about 60 to 70% for Thursday through Friday. So looking at the next 7 days, warm days for today and tomorrow, highs in the mid-70s. A little bit cooler on Friday and Saturday, as I mentioned, with that boundary moving through as a backdoor cold front on Friday. 72 degrees, still pleasant. Saturday, 73 degrees, continuing pleasant conditions. We'll have that AM fog for each of these days, and then that will quickly erode or move out of the region or burn off for the afternoon hours with partly cloudy conditions expected. Then for Sunday, we'll see that boundary move through the region from the north, giving us a 50% chance of those rain showers and breezy conditions as well off the water, high of 67. And then Monday and Tuesday back into the above normal trend with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s across the region. 76 on Monday, 77 on Tuesday, and with that cold front approaching from the west on Tuesday evening, could see some rain showers move in. Right now, it looks like that should move through Tuesday night into Wednesday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.